Also guys, this is HumbleFx and this is a robot I'm going to show you guys today. So this is a SuperBot. This is SuperBot. This is a different robot so far. Today I'm showing the results of what I've gotten for over 1 week so far using this robot to trade. Okay, so this is another account and we'll be going like that for some long time right now. So this is a different robot, unlike it's not a Thunderbolt robot. This is called a SuperBot robot, and this is a new month giveaway. I want to give out this robot. So for a new month or as a new month offer to those that are interested to get it at the moment. Right, the robot is very effective and is very reliable, more than the Thunderbolt robot, as you can see right about here. All right, and this robot trade only the Crash 1000 and the Boom 1000. These two pairs is what it trades effectively. Yes, it has losses as well, but the profit is always bigger. Let us do a recheck of the more from when I put it to this account. From here to 23 to second today so far we had $600 made. This is $600 here, guys. That is $600 made on this particular with this robot within a week plus, using equity of $198. That is the equity was $198 when the trade started to happen. All right, so today so far we have 85, and this is morning. This is 9:50 a.m. so we're going to make more profit, at least over up to 150 or 200 today with this robot, and very effective robot. All right guys, so how do you get this robot? For those that have the Thunderbolt robot, you have a chance to get this robot at a very reduced price, and this price is for today, being I'm just doing it for a new month, giveaway. Okay, so if you already have the Thunderbolt robot, you have the opportunity to get this robot at just $20. All right, this is just it. Now if you don't have the Thunderbolt robot and you want to get this robot is $150 as a price, but I'm going to give it out for those that wants to get it today for $50, so you have it and also start making profits. And remember that this robot trade 24/7. It works on a list account of $10. Now let me show you a small account that I'm working on. This is a $10 account that was funded today. So let us see results so far. See that this is the $10 account that I funded today, and we are trading with the SuperBot robot. Right, see now we have an entry already. So this is it trades on a small account. Also it trades also on a small account. All right, at least $10 is this $10 account is what you need to trade with this robot. At least $10 is what you need to use this robot for. So that is how accurate it is, and you can make at least 20 to 30% of your equity every single day, or even more than that, depends on how the market is for the day. All right, that is very amazing. So you want to get it now at this price, check on the video description. You will see a link to my Telegram channel, my Telegram handle, or my WhatsApp. You send me a message and you grab your own as soon as possible. So if you are if you already have the Thunderbolt robot, you have a chance to get this robot at $20 today. And if you want to get the Thunderbolt robot in safe today, you can get it at 30%, $30, right? Yeah, but if you want to get this one, this is a SuperBot robot on its own, you can get it at $15. That is simple as that. So guys, check on the video description and don't ever miss out of this. You see, we are moving. So let me show you guys to the group, so you see that we are not playing here. Right, we are not playing here. We are keeping it very real, making it very, very real, so that you don't have a doubt. You don't have to doubt. Now you can also join the copy trading if you want to join the copy trading and all that. So let me show you our results on the group and all that. So you don't seem to, this is it, guys. See guys, we have profits made here. Look at that. These are results so far for today. Yesterday, see the results here. We have results here. These are results that we made using this robot, right? It's very amazing, guys. That is just crazily amazing. You can join here to get free signals and all that. So this is my Telegram channel, and we have gotten a lot of results to show you how, guys, here. All right, so if you're not convinced, you can join here and get proofs and results for yourself. All right, this is how effective it is. Grab your own copy right now and start enjoying. Grab your own copy now and start enjoying yourself. We are seeing progress, so we are not afraid of loss, right? We are not afraid that this will spike. We know that it's going to hit profit, and that is just it. That is just that about that. Right, this is very, very, very effective. You don't want to miss out. This is my new month giveaway, guys.